Shamim from Animation Studio. So again, come back to Toon, my favorite software today. So probably I will make a tutorial on Toon, very basic tool Canva. So as a beginner, I'm going to discuss about the tool or something, whatever the necessary first of introduction the Toon Harmony software. So let's get started. First of all, I will give you the information of selection tool. This is a selection tool and this shortcut key is Alt+S. Every tools you need to learn or you need to know, you must know the shortcut key of the tool because you are not frequent. You are going to use this frequently, and whenever you're going to use frequently these tools, you don't select these tools using mouse. You just remember or recall the shortcut key, just press this shortcut key and get this tool as well. So how you can find the shortcut key? You just go to the edit and keyboard shortcut. You're gonna change your shortcut key at the same time by using this keyboard shortcut like I'm just selection tool. This is a select tool. So this select tool is basically like, what's the select tool? Okay, there is a lot of tool here and you can use this shortcut key at the same time. Default shortcut key, or you're gonna change the shortcut key at the same time, like add frame after selection, Ctrl+H. If you want to change your shortcut key, so just here you're gonna press something like that, whatever you need, and just okay, and this shortcut key as well. Add it. So like cutter tool, node view, cutter tool, Shift+C. You can change your shortcut key as well. So whenever you forget any shortcut key, you just open the keyboard shortcut and write the name here, and you're gonna find this shortcut as well, and you just remember this shortcut. Okay. So first of all, tool panel and go to the selection tool, Alt+S. So press Alt+S. This is a selection tool. How are you gonna use this tool? First of all, like I draw a character. This is a character and I'm just select this tool. How? Just press on the viewport and just select. So I'm gonna minimize, I'm gonna bigger or change something like that. Whatever you're gonna do, just select and you're gonna change your age or your character, whatever. So selection tool is a very important. You're gonna use these tools frequently. All the time you use this selection tool. Okay. So now I have to talk about the very best tool that I'm gonna use frequently. This is a cutter tool. Which cutter tool? Shortcut key is Alt+T. Alt+T. This is a shortcut. So this is a cutter tool. So how cutter tool works? Just I'm drawing this character, but it's looking but it doesn't look cool. So I'm just cutting some edge that not necessary. Probably it looks cool. Okay. So just press and then here every cutter tool is very important for just press and cutting. Okay, very nice. Now this is a plain up character, so that's why cutter tool you're gonna use, because when you're gonna draw something fast, so probably you have to draw like whatever you need, but after the cleanup you need to cutter for cleaning for changing whatever you need. So the very next one is a brush tool. Just Alt plus B. Alt plus B is a brush tool. Alt plus B is a brush tool. So just this tool is like for trying, like this one and this one. So this is a brush tool. So you have just change your size like 12, 15, 13, 16, whatever you need. You're gonna just change your size. At the same time, you're gonna see that some preset as well. You just use this preset according to your necessity. So I'm gonna use this preset, and you just click here, and you can change or modify this tool as well. So you're gonna use as a circle, diamond, a square, and minimum size and maximum size, or hardness, spacing, random size, random angle, random spacing, whatever you need. You're gonna just change this scenario according to your necessary. And smoothing, you can smooth your line or whatever you're gonna do, whatever you're gonna draw. That's important. Transparency, develop, picture, paper texture. So you're gonna add the texture at your line or whatever. So this is important for brush tool. Probably I'm not using brush tool frequently, but I am using, or I'm gonna use pencil tool frequently. This is my best tool. So what is the difference between pencil and brush tool? I'm gonna discuss later. First, what is the pencil tool? So this is a pencil tool. Just select, and so the shortcut key is W. W is a pencil tool. So just like W is a pencil tool. Okay. So this is a pencil tool. Draw and draw and draw and draw. So you just go to the properties panel, and you have seen a lot of things there, like maximum size and smoothing. At the same time, you have seen a lot of preset as well. You're gonna use this preset for your project, whatever. And just you're gonna advanced setting. You just go to this size and smoothing. You're gonna set this advanced, and texture. You just take this texture, or you're gonna use this. So this is a pencil tool, and again go to the Alt plus S, go to this selection tool, and just select and delete all. Just select and delete this one because you don't need that. Okay, delete. So what's the difference between pencil and brush tool? Yes, it has a big difference. Press 2 and zoom out, and press 1 zoom in. So press 1 is a zoom in, and press out. Press 2 is a zoom out. Okay. So this is a pencil tool. Sorry, this is a brush tool, and this is a pencil tool. So here has a difference, like this is a totally stroke. Pencil is a like, okay, when you have say a pencil tool, there in a middle point has one line, and you're gonna change this using editor tool like this. Using editor tool, okay. So yes, you're gonna use and change the position as well. Is a very important. So you have to change your line when you're going to use pencil tool, but in brush tool it couldn't be possible. You just change the whole thing as well, but don't change according to your necessity. That's why pencil tool is very usable tool. Brush tool, probably you're going to use brush tool as well, but my favorite part is a pencil tool, because I'm going to change each part according to the necessity. Okay, so go to the selection tool and select the scenario and delete. The next part is the stamp tool. So yes, it demands another video, because because you're gonna learn a lot of things in stamp tools, and it's very very important. So I'm gonna discuss about this pencil tools later. And this is a brush eraser tool. This is a eraser tool. So probably you draw something and you need to erase something, like yes, you just erase. So you're gonna change at the smoothing and something transparency tree, whatever you need, and you have some preset at the same time, and you're gonna increase your size or decrease your size at the same time. So go to the selection tool again and select and delete. And the second is a text tool. You're gonna use your text and like something like text tool. So yes, you need this tool frequently. You have to add the text in your animations or projects, whatever. So this text tool here, you have to go to the top properties panel. You're gonna change something like that font and size, indent, whatever. You're gonna change these properties panels in the tools in like text tool. So this tool you are gonna use frequently. And the last but not the least, by 4 tool, rectangular, ellipse, line, and polygon. This is a rectangular tools, and this is a ellipse tools, and this is a line tools. Probably you're gonna use this line tool frequently, because line tool is very very important, and you have to draw something like using line tool. So line tool you're gonna use frequently, and it has a shortcut key at the same time, alt and this, what is this called, I forget that. This key is a question key, okay, probably. Okay, so this is a like I okay, so I'm just hover that, and probably yes, alt plus this is a shortcut key. Okay, and the last tool is polygon tool. Polygon tool probably you just use for your using. So polygon tools you're going to use at the same time, but most frequently usable tool is rectangle, ellipse, and line. So you have to use, and polygon tool as well you're going to use. So probably today I'm going to discuss about the about these tools. This is a selection tool, cutter tool, brush tool, pencil tool, and eraser tool, text tool, rectangular tool, polygon tool, and line tool, and ellipse tool. So next day we're gonna discuss about the next remaining tools properly, so that you can understand how tool works. And using the tools, you're gonna make your character, you're gonna art your character. So this is important. And next, and gradually we have to learn the whole software properly. And after learning that software, we are gonna make a very interesting, eye-catchy, beautiful, and elegant or attractive character or animations and design as